Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to pair an iPhone to a Bluetooth-enabled smart hearing aid. This applies for manufacturers such as Oticon, Starkey, and ReSound. Phonak users will have a different process for pairing their devices. With that being said, if you're currently wearing your hearing aid, it's important to take it out. If it's rechargeable, go ahead and put it in your charger or turn it off using the button. If you have traditional batteries, you'll want to open the door to turn the device off. Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to go into your iPhone, and what I want you to do is to find your settings button. Some people have them on their home screen. I happen to have mine stored in a folder, and it's this gear with the gray coloring in the background, and you're going to go into your settings. And I want you to go ahead and scroll down to accessibility. And then I want you to stop there and turn on your hearing aids. So if you have rechargeable hearing aids, it'll be taking it out of the charger. If you have traditional batteries, go ahead and shut the battery door. And then what I want you to do is go down here to hearing devices. And you can see that it's searching, and it found Virginia's hearing aids. When it sees that, if you touch on the line, you will get a pair prompt. You're going to go ahead and press pair. If you have two hearing aids, that pair prompt will appear twice, one for each hearing aid. Once they are paired, you will have a screen that looks similar to this. If you have only one hearing aid, it will only show one device. If you have two devices, it'll show the right and the left in terms of the microphone level. Oops. And it will also show your programs if you have programs set up within your hearing aids. Once you see this screen, you are paired to your hearing aids and you are ready to stream your music and or your phone calls. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out for us here. We're always happy to help. Hope you are doing well and have a safe and healthy day.